working on getting the fuel system all cleaned up. I figured why not? It's good stuff. Cleans out all the juke. And then we'll put premium on this guy. I think it says it treats up to like 1 can, treats up to 20 gallons. So, this in there. Nice. So yeah, there you go. 44K BG, good stuff. There's some of the information there. Fuel system cleaner. All right. Whew. Hopefully that fuel cleaner works. All right, guess what? I spilled a whole can of engine degreaser on the back of my car. Definitely think changing the transmission fluid and doing an oil change and just going through the whole thing is going to be helpful for it. Oh, that was a hard shift. Whoa. So yeah, that could definitely be synchros or it drives nice though. So the engine will be nice and hot. We'll spray it, we'll do the degreaser, let that set. Then we'll spray the carpet out. Hopefully there's nobody here at the car wash. We clean this car up. She's gonna be real nice. She's got pep. Take a look. It's so much better. Got all that crud out of there. The cover looks really nice. Like I said, I lost a little emblem, but let that dry and clean up, and then we'll be able to get in there and work on it much cleaner. So that'll be it for right now. I think we did good today. We got the carpet washed, got the engine bay clean. So yeah, pretty good day. Get this buttoned up and get the carpet home, drying, and then yeah, we'll start putting it back Thanks for watching.